Oh, I can't remember if this is day 5 or day 6, but got all this cleaned out, put back together. So Dad has a nice cleaning station here, and put a couple extra first aid kits underneath there, replaced the first aid kit on the wall, all his car cleaning products underneath there. That whole thing, there was 6 bags of garbage that came out of that area. Anyways, this whatever back here, this all got moved. Still got to move more stuff here. Been at it for a couple hours, and anything that was up there that looks like it was needed for something or a part, I put it into containers. I bought a bunch of extra containers. I still got to pull out from underneath here tomorrow, clean all that up, and then I'm probably going to put most of that stuff back underneath so Dad can take a look. Did find some Bombardier parts here, a couple plates for the exhaust. Found a brake pad or a brake pedal. There's more Bombardier parts down there, I know. I just got to dig it out. But finding just a real mix of everything in here, and I got to put these away for the customer so they don't get damaged. Probably going to put that away just so it's out of the way. I have no idea what this engine and transmission go to, so hopefully Dad can sell it or clean it up or do something with it. Got a transmission there. I got a transmission there. I know one of these transmissions is supposed to be for the swamp buggy outside, but I haven't a clue. I am absolutely played right out, but we did another garbage run today, another 7 bags of garbage. So it's probably up to about 15 bags of garbage so far. And I'm still working in this area, still cleaning it up, and my whole goal is to move that way. But this side here, it's clean or cleaner. I know this still looks like mess, but once I cleaned it up, I needed a place to store stuff. Some of this stuff is going to come back over to the other side. And yeah, fun.